Here's another quick update on the index. And this time it's about why is it called index? It's a very common question. So the in comes from the word induction, and that's what is used to transfer the heat to the nozzle. So you can see this typical copper color coil. So that's the induction. And then the second part is the DX. So that's dynamic extruder. And that's these two extrusion wheels. I actually have a tool head which has been disassembled, so you can see it better. And as I turn the extruder, you can see that the two gears automatically engage the filament, and when the tool is parked, it does this in reverse, and that way the extruder can release the filament without the user having to manually push some button or something like that. So this way the tool head can pick up a nozzle, engage the filament, print, and then later park it, release the filament, and go pick up a different tool. It's a really clever and at the same time simple design, which, yeah, that's what we love.